motherfucker.
Who's that, Miss Tasha?
Here you go.
Ooh. Oh, Ainsworth finna let one off.
We're on the roof, nigga. We're on the top.
Come back, guys. Come closer, guys.
Man, we need some motherfucking music, dog.
We do, don't we? Turn your car on, nigga. Woo! D-Town in this thing, 4th of July, nigga.
Blast that right in the nigga's ear, man.
Oh, you coming back?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Look at these butterheads.
Come here, nigga. What you just said? What? Did you just call me a butterhead? What you just call me?
You gotta mush the camera.
that cannon, you know what I'm saying? Shot pack now. Got that banger, nigga.
Anybody got some shout outs? Savage. Hold on, I got it on beat now. That bitch ain't got no light on it. Blow, clock, blow. Come on, nigga. Look at that. Blow. Come on, nigga. D-stine.
Stein in here. Go cannon! Oh, bitch! That's a joint, nigga! Shit out the back of my show!
Hey, man. Hey, dog, you could've lit that house on fire.
DJ, your sister.
I know, but we ain't nobody around here. Ain't nobody around here. What you got, man?
Oh, hell no. Hey, bro. Look, y'all putting no motherfucking beeswax in my hair. My shit would've caught fire.
Oh, Michael Jackson. I seen that shit. You would've been jumping off for real,
bro. I've been jumping off for real, man. The fella, and all in the dirt.
Oh, the cannon! Oh, we all right! We'll see y'all right now!
D-Town is in the
Get your
building.
gun in now, nigga!
Hey, niggas is real reckless out here. This your boy Cali, man.
So reckless. Oh, this
fresh off of probation.
Look at him.
Fresh off of
now,
probation.
Everybody.
Hey, man, we got a lot of man.
Everybody stand back.
This is Cali, man.
Everybody stand back from Cali, man. We can't fix with this nigga, man. Hey, everybody better stay cool. Everybody gotta watch out. You better watch out. Hey, lift it high, nigga. Lift it high, cause I'm jumping.
Too low.
Good.
Yeah, thugging like that, nigga. Holly Grove, throw that up.
Ow. Hey, let me get a lighter, yeah? Cannon, we in here, V-Town all day. Niggas blowing the horn.
If we don't know who they are because it's dark. I know, we're talking to her. What's that?
There's no more in that pack, man. We don't want the pack.
I think it's something on my leg. It's burning.
This nigga,
hey, Reaper, you better watch out.
oh, God!
That was fire.
Oh, God!
That was fire ass one right there.
That's what I'm talking about, beast. Light up. I ain't got no more. I can't. Where they at? Stein. You got some? Yeah. I can't bust one. I can't bust a bagger. That joker do got kick.
It got some kick to it. I'm gonna let you know that now.
Right there. No, let that nigga put it right there.
Put it right there.
No,
keep it right there.
No, that right there.
Yeah, right there. Hold on. I got it.
Hold the angle up a little bit.
Right there. Hold it right there. I think it's gonna set me up.
Now, Rico power now. Hold it now, Rico. Don't drop it.
Don't drop it. Come down here.
Hey, hold my cup.
Hey man, don't drop this shit, Regal man. I'm telling you, man.
Oh, I thought you were holding like right now. You say, boy,
You need to hold it high, guys.
yeah, you gotta tilt it up.
Tad bit. No, the angle high.
Yeah. Don't hold it high on your body, nigga.
Hold it right there, nigga.
Bow! Bow!
You busting fireworks on, bro. What's happening?
Huh?
What that is, Jack? First word, nigga. I told you I was gonna be at 9:30, dog. I told you. Bro, I told you I was gonna be at 9:30 though. I told you I was gonna be in the Manors first row, nigga. Drinking liquor, nigga, smoking weed.
Chris who? We getting down to the last, nigga.
Oh, yeah. You had one more packet of them bitches? No.
I got that gap in my cup, man.
Where the camera at, man? Where the camera? Hey, check it out, man. Time in this thing. You know? Cannon shells. We do it big.
Hey, can I show him something? How you doing? Can I show him something real quick?
No,
Don't
show it to him.
Okay.
We gotta be on Facebook. You know
Oh, this Facebook. Okay, never mind. I can't do it like that.
you know, this the only thing we not. This the only thing. This ain't the only cannons we got. That's it.
Mario! Babe! I'm up here. Come on, get out.
Your license is revoked. Look how you keep my license revoked, dog. I haven't not harmed nobody, dog.
Look at all this trash.
Yo, Kenny game up.
No, I can see this.
You don't know how to clap battery?
Oh man.
Heck yeah, he can't see me from that street, so he's just like, fuck it, I'm a rider on this street. She might not see me. He probably don't already been to my house. That's why he's driving over here. He went home, checked the Facebook.
Right the intersection over there. Everybody in front of the church.
Oh, that's funny. That round got a little. Let me see. The only person I can see is Joseph. I can't tell. Joseph.
Take it. You missing it?
Hold the cup.
Yeah, look in the camera.
I'm trying to tell you to get out. Hold this cup right quick. This is Kiara cup. This Kiara cup. No, you gotta come in the light because my clip gotta be good. I gotta be able to see y'all. Stand right here. All right now. This is a key production right here. Kiara's cup. It's not my cup, okay? Just so y'all know, it's Kiara. Yeah, she's holding it for me.
About to end the saga here.
All right, Stein. Into the saga. Star Wars type. Let's get real.
Everybody.
I need a lighter, man. Who got a lighter?
Where the blue light went?
You gotta stand behind the light. You gotta stand behind the light.
I'm looking at you. I see good.
Hey, I need a lighter.
These niggas finna bust the last one. Final finale. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why they let me get the camera because a nigga fucked up. Oh, yeah, man. Yeah, Rasta. Now this is what I call a big ejaculation. Oh, what? 5 niggas coming at one time. Every girl's wet dream. Them niggas busted. Oh, we got some late shooters. All right, my friend. Beast getting the last word. Wow. Bow! I gotta hit it like a mug.
I want to see what happens with this go one in the middle.
You see BJ in the dark? Oh shit! That's about his ass. Ah, shot it long tight. What is that? Oh, they trying to shoot it this way?
Man, we need to save like half on, bro, when we bring the real firepower on.
When we bring in the real firepower. Hey, BJ walking up.
Hey man, you see my blood clot? Yo, fuck this shit up, man.
Man said I can't stir. That shit hit me.
You better let it show cup.
Coming at you.
Last two, guys.
All this stuff, that's what got me busted. I'm about to go crash.
You got hit on your leg?
Yeah. I guess it ain't 4th of July till you get hit.
Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord.
Everybody say it's by the power line.
Like, you was putting people out, boy. I said, whoa.
Okay. Ow. Get my ass. Go here. Yeah. Well, I got the camera. I don't need the camera.
Yeah, the Rico, you nasty, boy.
Ain't the police doing
Hey, man, somebody here take the wrong things like a pat. Rico lit it in the back.
What?
Oh, what the fuck?
No. I know.
Which is that faces?
Watch
Yeah,
out.
that joint shoot stuff. Dead in the face.
What is y'all?
Trying to light each other up.
I'm gonna start catching them shit, throwing them back.
Can I videotape from the ground?
Oh, what the fuck?
No, who did that? 'Cause that one got by me. It got like on my back.
I know, like.
You too, Mom.
That's what I'm talking about, B.
Oh, shit.
You're on his back.
Look out over there. About it, cause hey, look, y'all better get off. Y'all better get off the roof right now.
BJ, I have the camera. Calm down.
Y'all better get off the roof right now.
Wait, move, wait, I can't jump down. Wait, damn. Oh man, I got stupid camera.
Hold on, now let me get off. I can't do this. I can't do this jumping off thing.
Hey, who jumped off the roof? Who jumped? Trap, you jumped? These jumps, all right.